Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are gonna see the most favorite chettinad cotton sarees. All these sarees you are seeing is 80s count 100% pure cotton sarees. And all are premium quality cotton with perfect finish. These sarees are very soft, light in weight, easy to carry and a perfect wear for this summer season. The major highlight of this collection is of course its border. The single and multi-layered fancy double-side border with beautiful and unique zari and thread weaving designs enhancing the elegance of these collections. Also, both dark and light shades are coming in this set of collection. And about the maintenance, all these sarees are generally hand washed at home. And also you can apply mild starch if you like it to be stiffer while wearing. This beautiful collection now we are seeing will be getting in a price of 739 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse, and if you guys wanted a printed matching blouse, you need to pay extra 90 rupees. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. In the second set you are seeing is again the same 80s count pure chettinad cotton sarees. And the highlight of this collection is its trendy, fancy, big border. The saree length of this collection also 5.5 meter without blouse, and this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number. Also please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Also note, if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp group. The links be there in the description. Thank you for watching.